Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last session we understood about what is management, what are the important factors, that means what is the importance for the management, how is the nature, right? Alongside we understood the different levels, and from all of the levels in the last session we understood about the top level management and its functions. In today's chapter, in today's session, we are going to understand about the middle level of management, that what is middle level management and what are the key functions of them. That's the topic we are going to cover today. So, I would start with the introduction of the middle level management. Middle level management is one of the most important and crucial level management in any of the business organization, because it is very much important link between top level and bottom level. All of the orders and all of the policy decisions which are taken from the top level management, and that should be followed by each and every person, then middle level management plays very important and vital role to establish that policy up to the ground level of the organization, right? And to make people follow that policy. Alongside this level of management consists of departmental officers, divisional officers, experts. So we can call it the officers level management too, right? It is also the management which is called officers level management, right? So guys, this was the introduction of the middle level management. Now let's get through the functions. What will be the functions being followed and being functioned by this department? Let's get to them one by one. There are total 9 functions and we are going to understand all of them over here today. The first function is to implement orders and instructions by CEO. The Chief Executive Officer will pass on the instructions and orders from the top level for the bottom level management. So middle level management will take all those orders and instructions and will spread it up to the bottom level and will make sure that these orders and the instructions are implemented very well. That is going to be the first function. The second function is to prepare budget by each departmental heads and present it before top level management. Each and every departmental head will make the budget of their own department, and they will have to, these departmental heads will have to represent that budget to the top level management to make it passed. That is going to be the second function. Third, to formulate rules, policies and structure for the accomplishment of enterprise objective and to decide necessary method for it, to analyze it and to decide appropriate measures on criterion for it. So at first, the departmental heads, means the officers level, will formulate certain rules, policies and structure that will help to accomplish the objectives which are defined by the enterprise. So the top level management has decided some objective, have decided some goal to achieve, and to accomplish all those objectives of enterprise, the middle level management will formulate the policies, rules and the structure to be followed by the bottom level, who are working really for the enterprise. Really they are working for the growth of the enterprise, right? So it will be done at first. Afterwards, this department will also decide necessary method to apply all these rules and policies in the whole organization. They will decide the necessary method. Then after the decision, they are going to analyze it, whether it will be fruitful or not, whether it will perform well or not, and afterwards they will decide the appropriate measures and criteria for that, right? They will decide that what should be the measurement of this decision, right? Whether it is correct or not, right? Whether it is the perfect criteria for putting this decision on or not. These all decisions will be taken by the middle level management, and that to be followed by the bottom level, right? So they are going to formulate the policies, they are going to formulate the rules, the regulations, everything for the bottom level, so that they can achieve the goals very quickly, as soon as possible. The fourth function is to take necessary steps to increase efficiency and effectiveness of the departmental activities. All of the departments are performing their own activities. All of the departments are performing their own activities. So over here, all the departmental heads which are in the middle level management, they will take necessary steps so that they can increase the efficiency, they can increase the outcome of the activities of the department, and also they will make the activities too much effective that it can go through the achievement of the goal, right? That means they are going to make the activities effective, and they will increase the efficiency of those activities which are being followed in the department. That is going to be the fourth function of the middle level management and the departmental heads. The fifth function is to make attempt to enthuse the employees of department. Guys, one thing over here which is very much important: without the enthusiasm of a person, a work can never be fruitful. To make the work fruitful, to make one person work very well, and to get the proper result of that work, the enthusiasm is very much necessary. So over here, the middle level management will always attempt to enthuse their employees, to make their employees passionate about the work, to make their employees motivated, and to make their employees positive about the work they are doing, right? And it is going to be very much important point in the management level. So that is going to be the fifth function, to enthuse the employees. Sixth one, to keep in constant touch with the officers of the other departments and establish coordination. One department is working for their own activities, another department is also working for their own activities. Both of the departments are working on different activities, right? But they all are working for the common goal. They all are working for the common goal. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, all of the departments are dependent on each other. Say for example, there is one purchase department which is going to make the purchases of the raw material. There is another production department which is going to produce the things. There is another packaging department which is going to make the packaging of the products, right? These three departments are working. Say for example, the production department can process after the raw material has been purchased. So it is dependent on the purchase department, right? Then the packaging department will be able to pack the things after it is produced. So they are dependent on the production department. So somehow the packaging department is also dependent on the purchasing department. Why? Because without purchase, the production will not be done. Without production, the packaging will not be done, right? Now, the purchase department is also dependent on the sales department, because after the products are sold, after the things are sold, after selling them, we will have to make new products. We will have to make the products once more. So on the basis of the sales done, the purchase department is going to purchase the raw material once more. Again, it will be processed. Again, it will be packaged, and again it will be sold. This is the rotation, and each and every department is dependent on each other. So at that point of time, all of the departmental heads will function as to be in constant touch with the different department officers, right? And they will make the proper coordination so that the process of the whole business goes smoothly. Okay, so that is going to be the sixth function. The seventh function is to focus on functioning of subdivisions. Each and every department, they are having the subdivisions. Say for example, the human resource department will not do all the activities. They will divide the activities into the different portions. One department will take care of the one subdivision. That means the part of the department will take care of the performances of the current employees. One department will be seeking for the new resumes for the employments. One department will be taking care of the basic facilities which are being provided to the employees, right? So in the department only there are certain subdivisions. Okay, so over there, middle level management will also function to focus on the function of each and every subdivisions which are created beneath them. Okay, that is going to be the seventh function. The eighth function is to supervise the working of the departments, get information, provide directions, and pass on information to the top level management. The middle level management, that means the departmental heads, the divisional officers, they all are going to supervise all the activities being done in their departments, right? wherever it is required, they will give the instructions and they are going to collect all the informations. They are going to collect all the informations, and wherever and whenever it is required, they are going to provide the directions, the instructions to the subordinates and make the total of all of the information, and those all information will be passed to the top level management so that they can prepare new policies on the basis of the current working style. That is going to be the function. So it is going to be the chain, right? It is going to be the link of the chain between top level management and bottom level management, right? It is going to take care of each and every activities what is going on, right? We'll gather the data of them. Wherever it is required, they will pass on the instructions and the directions, and they will help the management to keep informed, to keep updated. That is going to be the 8th function. And now the last one, that is the 9th function, and which is to help the top level management in taking policy decisions. Whenever the top level management will have to take the policy decisions, they are ready to formulate new policies. At that time, they must be updated with all of the informations, with all of the problems, with all of the good going things. Everything should be known by the top level management, and based on that only they are going to formulate new policies. So the middle level management will also have to be very much helpful while the policies are being designed by the top level management. They are going to assist them, right? That's going to be the 9th function. So guys, this was the meaning of the top level management, the people who are involved in that, and what is the department called. Alongside, we understood about the functions of the middle level management too. So that was all for this topic. Tomorrow we are going to understand about the bottom level management and the functions of them too. Till then, I would like to take your leave. Keep making notes. Goodbye. Take care. Have a nice time. Stay home. Stay safe. See you in the next session.